All right, let's work on evaluating a couple trig functions using our calculators. So the first one is we want to evaluate the cosecant of 5 pi over 7. And to do this, we're really just getting it in the calculator correctly, getting the right values coming out. We can't really use reference angles. It's not going to be super clean and nice where we can use a table of common values or anything like that. So as we get going on this, the very first thing you want to do is make sure we're in radian mode. Because the angles on both of these are given to us in radians. We kind of default to radian mode unless it's specified that we're using degrees. So make sure you go mode, and then about the third option down there should be degrees or radians, select radians. All right, so radian mode. The next thing you may notice is we don't have a cosecant button on our calculators. We have sine, cosine, and tangent, but no cosecant. So the next thing we want to do is we want to rewrite this in terms of, in this one, it's going to be sine. So we want to use a reciprocal identity. And the reciprocal identity is going to allow us to rewrite this as 1 divided by sine of 5 pi over 7. All right, and then to get this in our calculator, we're going to push 1 divided by, and then the sine button. We want to get this exact, so we go 5, and then to get pi is this little superscript on the button that is our exponent button. So what you want to do is you want to do second, and then that exponent button to get pi, divide that by 7, and close some parentheses perhaps, press enter, and we get what? It's going to be approximately 1.279, and it keeps going, right? So I'm just cutting it off there. For cotangent, it's going to be similar. All right, cotangent of negative pi over 8. We're going to rewrite this so it's sine, cosine, or tangent. In this case, I would probably go with, again, a reciprocal identity and utilize tangent. You could use your quotient identities and maybe rewrite this as cosine over sine, but I'm aiming for the easiest way possible. I'm going to go 1 over tangent of negative pi over 8. Again, I'm just going to deal with that negative radian measure angle, negative pi over 8. Shouldn't be a big deal as we were using our calculators anyway. All right, so to punch that in, again, it's just 1 divided by tangent button. Next, we're going to need the negative, which is the button at the bottom, not the subtraction. Pi, again, use that second, and then our exponent button, divided by 8, maybe close some parentheses. I got this to be about negative 2.414, and again, just keeps going. So round appropriately based on the instructions on your problem. Hope this helps out. Remember, it's not second tangent. That tangent inverse is not the same thing as cotangent. All right, and again, sine inverse is not the same thing as cosecant. All right, so just be careful about that. Good luck as you're working with your calculator, getting some values coming out.